Early breast cancer में surgery is the only treatment which is current. Mainstay of treatment is surgery. After surgery, we give radiotherapy or chemotherapy. They are not part of treatment. They are adjuvant. They are there to prevent recurrence. Main treatment you will do. But in all the cases, chemo देना ही पड़ेगा ऐसा नहीं. In all the cases, radiation देना पड़ेगा ऐसा नहीं. There are specific indications of giving radiation. Generally क्या होता है? If the tumor is more than 5 centimeters, आपने ऑपरेट किया, इसके बाद generally radiation देते हैं. But if the tumor is less than 5 centimeters, then radiation देते हैं. Only surgery will do. Lymph nodes जब निकालते हैं, out of generally हम 12, 15, 20 से lymph nodes निकालते हैं. It is said that if the lymph nodes are negative, lymph node पे disease नहीं गई है, तो फिर radiation देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Lymph node में more than 2 nodes पे disease आती है, तो फिर हम radiation करते हैं. So radiation and chemotherapy are the treatment in early breast cancer, which are guided by the biopsy report of surgery. Curative is surgery. Cancer intestine, what is your question? Intestinal cancers are of two types. One is small intestine cancer, one is large intestine cancer. Small intestine cancer are very uncommon. Commonest cancer is colon cancer and rectal cancer. And the causes of colon rectal cancer is red meat and non-vegetarian diet. Then again alcohol, lifestyle, they are the common causes. So you find more colon rectal cancer in Kashmir, where people eat a lot of red meat. The people who take non-vegetarian diet, meat ज़्यादा खाते हैं, उनमें colon rectal cancer ज़्यादा होता है. There is some conditions for ulcerative colitis. कुछ लोगों को ulcerative colitis की disease होती है, that is a pre-cancer, उससे भी cancer होती है. So mostly they are diet-related cancer. So being a vegetarian is again good for cancer. Mammogram will give some indication that these changes are probably because of benign or probably because of cancer. They will not give 100% things. So depending on that report, we will do further investigation. Biopsy करेंगे, so to confirm. कभी mammogram will give 100% it is probably benign. Say, I am not going to detail. There are pirates category and all that you will not understand. But if mammogram will give probability, so depending on that probability, we will either do biopsy or we will operate. PET scan क्या होता है? It is a positron emission tomography. It is a type of scan in which there is a molecule which is called FDG. ठीक है? Fluorodeoxyglucose. So you inject that FDG. The FDG will go in your body, and wherever in your body cells are hyperfunctioning, the cells are multiplying much, cells are very much active. That it will take more nutrition. It will take more FDG. Take more glucose. FDG is glucose, and that you capture in a scan. So if generally cancer is what? Cancer is multiplying. So they are very active cells. So they will eat more and more glucose. So they will pick up more. So we calculate the pickup in a scan. That is the SUV, standardized uptake value. So we calculate the uptake. जिस area में ज़्यादा uptake होगा, we suspect that there is abnormal cells here. We suspect there is cancer. PET scan will not tell कि ये कैंसर है या नॉन कैंसर. So depending on the pattern of uptake, हम बताएंगे कि uptake ज़्यादा है. Then we do biopsy and confirm. But in a diagnosed case of cancer, we do PET scan. Then when we do PET scan, then entire body is scanned, and it can identify other areas like liver, lungs वगैरह. और कहीं भी अगर ज़्यादा uptake आएगा, ज़्यादा abnormal cells आएंगी, then we can infer कि वहाँ metastasis हो गई है, वहाँ disease फैल गई. So PET scan is helpful in diagnosis, is helpful in staging also. और कहाँ है? That we do PET scan. Yeah. It is a nuclear, basically a nuclear medicine study. Radionucleotide thing. Are you sure you are talking about spinal cord or you are talking about back? back, so there is skin, then there is muscle, then there is bone, then there is dura mater, and then spinal. Talking of lump where? Talking lump skin on the skin. In the proper spinal cord. So spinal cord proper is a part of nervous system. So like any other organ in the body, they are also prone to have cancer. So spinal cord can also have cancer. Now you have to investigate whether this lump is cancerous. Yes. There are so many things you can convert into, but fat is the commonest. Estrogen itself is a fat. See, after this entire program, you can spread only this message that don't take alcohol, don't take tobacco. And if you learn how to do self-examination, and if you tell people that cancer is not a deadly disease, I think the aim of the program is over. You achieved your goal. Some certain studies have come up. They said that vitamin D deficiency is good. And if you give vitamin D, then it will prevent even during treatment and after I'll give my card.
Everybody, can we have an announcement, please? Now, since the session has been extended, so it will be great. People who have queries, they can just put it down on paper, or you can send it on the email.
Some cards.
So it has been really kind to give us cards. So definitely, you can get it to me. And I'll be posting the answers to certain questions which were not answered right now. On the page, like the answers, and I'm writing down the answers. And the recorded version will be uploaded within the next 2 hours. So the people who were unable to catch it, or there were some technical glitches during the webinar, so they can catch on to that through the link. We'll just put it on the event page. And I think we have to conclude now because it's been an amazing afternoon. Thanks to the doctors and ma'am. So, yeah, we just have a vote of thanks, and thank you, ma'am, for helping us organize this. It's been a good initiative, and thank you for this amazing turnout. I hope you people enjoyed the session, and it was informative, not boring, because that was the criteria to get people involved, and please spread the word. That's the motive of conducting such a thing, that whatever sir said, like the clock thing, I think it's something interesting and you people can really remember and inform the people around you. We just have a word of thanks and then we form it.
If anybody of you wants to have such programs again, anytime, you are free to contact me round the clock.
Yeah, we have sir's
My phone is on round the clock. I answer even at 2 a.m.
Sir has been really active and he has organized shows in Assam, in various parts of the country. Sarika ma'am has been to a conference in US. And Shruti ma'am is always available to a number of queries. So there have been times where we have actually called her and asked, ma'am, what to do next? So if anybody has any queries, I'll put these cards out. You can ask for it to me or go to the event page. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for such an informative session. Thank you so much, teachers, for being in helping hand. And now I would like to request Dr. Poonam Basu to felicitate our dignitaries with praise and mementos.
थोड़ा सा इसको ब्रेक करना
I'm pretty sure the girls sitting over here are taking a lot of knowledge back home. And now I would like to request all the GPS teachers over here to move forward to the conference of the lunch. And self-defense workers will be
वीडियो में से निकाल लेंगे, वीडियोज में से निकल जाएगी, वीडियोज में से निकल जाएगी ये फोटोज। देखो अभी आप पिक्स चेंज दे देंगे, बोलो दे